Welcome back. So in the last video, we were looking at consonant G, how to pronounce consonant G in different situations. So today, we're looking at diphthong Oi. Alright, so let's go through this together. Diphthongs occur when an unstressed I, U, or Y ending appears next to another vowel in the same syllable. Their vowel sounds do not change, but they blend together to form a single syllable. One such vowel combination OI or OY word ending is pronounced like the OY in the English word boy, except that it is a somewhat shorter sound. Note that when there is a written accent over the letter I, the diphthong is broken and two vowels are pronounced separately. So, from what I read, if you've been following the lessons in the series, you would see that this particular sentence right here is similar uh, for diphthongs having an I combination. So whenever there is an accented I, you split. I mean, in terms of the pronunciation, right? So the vowels is pronounced separately. Otherwise, they are blended together to form a single sound. So let's look at or revisit that particular topic here. So I'm talking about diphthongs. So diphthongs occur when an unstressed I, U, or Y ending appears next to another vowel in the same syllable. Vowel sounds do not change, but they blend. They blend together to form a single syllable. So that's really important, right? One such vowel combination is OI, which you're currently looking at today, or OY word ending. Okay. It's pronounced like the OY in the English word boy, except that it's somewhat shorter sound. Note that when there is a written accent or letter I, the diphthong is broken down. So I think we got a fair idea on what this is about. So let's go through some examples.
Listen to the following words. They all contain the OI diphthong.
Okay.
Oi.
Oi. So, oi. Um,
Oi. Oi.
so this sounds more like an I towards the end, right? So, oi. It's not like, I mean, it doesn't sound to me like OY in the word boy, right? Um, and because boy is the sound is longer, and from what I mentioned, the sound is shorter. So in retrospect, it sounds more like an I, but um, yeah. So if you listen to it again,
Oi.
oi, not oi,
Oi. Oi.
oi,
Oi. Oi.
which means today.
Estoy.
Estoy. Yeah, notice that you have a break. It's like sharp stop.
Estoy.
Estoy, I am.
Oigo.
Oigo, I hear.
Oigo.
Coima.
Coima, bribe.
Voy.
Voy, I go.
Coincidencia.
Coincidencia, coincidence.
Listen and repeat. Concentrate on combining the two vowels into a single syllable in the manner of the native speakers.
Oi.
Oi,
Estoy.
estoy. So O and Y are being combined to form a single sound. And unlike the OY in the word boy, this is a shorter sound.
Oigo.
Oigo,
Coima.
coima,
Voy.
voy,
Coincidencia.
coincidencia.
Since these words have a written accent over the letter I, the diphthong is broken and the two vowels are pronounced separately.
Oíste.
Oíste. So notice that you are pronouncing the O and I separately. So it's oíste,
Oír.
oír,
Oí.
oí, I heard,
Desoír.
desoír.
Heroína. Heroína.
Notice that they're not pronouncing the H. It appears to be silent. So it's more like heroína, 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 heroína.
Heroína.
Listen and repeat. Every other word has a diphthong.
Oi.
Oi,
Oíste.
oíste,
Estoy.
estoy,
Oigo.
oigo,
Oír.
oír,
Coima.
coima,
Oí.
oí,
Voy.
voy,
Desoír.
desoír,
Coincidencia.
coincidencia. And the last one for this exercise,
Heroína.
heroína. Alright folks, so it looks like we have completed today's exercise on Diphthong Oi. In the next video, I'll be looking at consonant H. So until then, see you next time.